Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 50 plus latest Python blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we know that Python blouse design have a luxury history dating back Indian countries. It's originating Python town in Maharashtra. This historical legacy is not just a footnote but integral part of the allure of Pythonic blouse design. Friends, elevate your Pythonic saree look with he-hold Pythonic blouse design. This kind of classic yet contemporary Pythonic blouse design style feature a small keyhole opening at the back or sleeve, adding an element of sophistication and allure to your entire outfit. Featuring intricate motif and vibrant color, these kind of Pythonic blouse design for Pythonic saree complement the traditional elegance. Friends, make a bold fashion statement with a cutout Pythonic blouse design to noticeable the beauty of Pythonic saree. Friends, this kind of stylish Pythonic blouse design feature intricate cutout pattern at the back or sleeve, merging tradition with modern outfit. With this unique Pythonic blouse design is must have for those seeking to infuse their entire artery with modern sophistication. Hence, Pythonic blouse design with deep V-shaped neckline at the back to make back and add a touch of glamorous outfit to the blouse. The deep V-shaped neckline at the back make a flattering and elegant look that provide a modern appeal to Pythonic saree. Friends, we know that add a touch of luxury and rich with this kind of latest Pythonic blouse design featuring intricate embroidery and embellishment that elevate the traditional Pythonic blouse design pattern. This kind of embroidery or embellishment Pythonic blouse designs are perfect to pair for wedding and grand celebration. Friends, the high neck Pythonic blouse designs are classic yet magnificent. This kind of high neck Pythonic blouse design provide a contemporary look to traditional elegance. The featuring high neckline extend higher on the neck, offering both coverage and style. Perfect for those seeking regal yet modern aesthetic. This kind of Pythonic blouse design style is a standout choice for any kind of occasion like wedding, engagement, birthday parties, and all other special events. Friends, seeking for understated elegance, this overlap Pythonic blouse design is your perfect fit. Characterized by overlapping fabric panel, these Pythonic blouse design patterns add dimension and visual interest to the blouse design. This kind of sophisticated blouse style offer a contemporary twist on traditional Pythonic blouse design, seamless blending modern aesthetic with timeless design. Friends, each Pythonic blouse design and Pythonic saree add its unique design to elevate the Pythonic saree look. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.